This video is on Fisher-Price sit-me-up floor seat assembly, and I cover how to put together Fisher-Price sit-me-up floor seat. This Fisher-Price sit-me-up is a popular baby product, and hopefully this step-by-step sit-me-up assembly guide is helpful. Let's jump into it. Let's start how to set up Fisher-Price sit-me-up with a quick unboxing of sit-me-up floor seat. These are the parts in the box. Make sure you have them all. Let's start the how to put together Fisher-Price sit-me-up floor seat by connecting these two parts. You don't need any tools for this assembly. Attach the front base. Make sure this bottom points this way. Repeat this for the other side. Snap these two parts. Now connect them all like this. In this step, I connect the seat ring to the frame. The seat ring snaps into the frame. Attach the cap with the Fisher-Price logo like this. This video is not sponsored, and I also spend lots of time making and editing this video. If you're getting value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button, or even better, by leaving a short or one-word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue with the video. Let's attach the seat pad to the frame. Attach the end of the seat pad to the frame with these 3 pegs. Put the seat pad on the seat ring like this. Connect the top of the seat pad to the seat ring with the 8 buttons hole on the seat pad to the pegs under the seat ring. Attach the toys like this. By the way, I have other videos on the disassembly, cover removal, and the review of this Fisher-Price sit-me-up floor seat if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.